What if I told you that the hardest thing that you've been through was the key to unlocking your next opportunity? In this video, I will walk you through 3 steps that you can take to reinvent yourself after a setback. So let's get into it. I'm Erica, and I've developed a 3-step framework that would help you heal, reinvent yourself, and create new opportunities. And I've put it all together in a free mini course that you can download after the video. The first step is healing. Before you can reinvent yourself, you need to process and release the emotional weight of what happened. The most effective way to do this is by reframing the setback. Instead of saying, "Oh my God, I failed," well, you want to say, how can I create a new opportunity? This simple mindset shift will help you to see your job lost as an opportunity instead of an ending. And so after the healing process, now it's time to reinvent yourself. Now this is the most beautiful part, because now this is a time when you start to rediscover your passions and what you really love doing. So ask yourself, what do I love doing? What am I good at? Asking yourself these questions will help you to find a path going forward. In my mini course, I guide you through exercises that will help you to uncover your strengths and align them with your goals. So after reinventing yourself, it's time to create new opportunities. Create your opportunities by using your knowledge, your skills, and the strengths that you have. So whether it's starting a new side hustle, starting a freelancing gig, or pivoting to a whole new career venture, all of this takes action. Start small, but start today. Don't wait for the right moment or opportunity to start. You can do it. Just believe in yourself. It's time for you to create your opportunity. If you're ready to dive deeper into this process, I've put together a mini course that is called From Fire to Free. In it, you will have exercises, tools, and step-by-step guidance to help you along the way. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead. The information is in my description box. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.